I'm gonna start this game up.
No, no.
Word.
Nick said I have W, so I just said that in chat. That's all.
How do you know that?
Because
Mute.
Imposter. What? 3? I didn't mean it.
Yo, 3 imposters?
It's too late. It's an accident. Next game will be 2.
Alright.
Fuck, bro. Yeah, this game not gonna last long. Oh, the lights is on. Damn, someone gonna come back and kill a nigga. I'm saying comms. Y'all know how a young nigga play.
Bro.
Yo, where Nora at, bro? Yo, Nora, one of them. Nora, imposter, bro.
yo,
Shit.
What happened? What happened?
So,
Nora, where?
body in office. Body in office.
Where's the office at?
Up left.
Top left? Yo, it's Nora. Nora's one of them.
it's Nora, yeah, I saw the
Yeah,
sensor.
It's not me.
Shut the fuck up, bitch ass nigga. I'm on cam. What's your dumb ass, man? You trash as fuck.
I'm doing tag.
I was on
I'm
calls,
doing-
bro. I saw that shit,
Vote
bro.
him off. He one of them. He one of them. Coach your
It's not
dumb
me,
ass.
vote.
Word,
Yep,
it's not
and if
me.
it's not me,
It's
vote
me,
Max.
bro.
Yeah, if it's not me, vote Max.
Yo,
Not me,
Nora,
bro.
explain
Not
how
me,
you
bro.
teleported
Not me,
to the
bro.
southeast sensor if you went to the north, and that's where the body is, bro. You're cooked.
If it's not me.
Cooked.
It's not me, bro. It's not me, bro.
Cooked. I'm waiting for the EX.
Oh,
Keep
shit.
it out, let's go.
He actually.
I will never lose any game ever, my nigga. Any game ever. Nigga! We about to die. We're about to die. We're about to die. Oh my god, you niggas are... Bro. 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 Bro.
Yeah. We won.
Bruh.
Hey, what the-
It's Boober ass round, bro.
Yo,
That doesn't even count. There was
What
three
are you
imposters,
niggas-
bro.
Yeah, it
What are
don't
you
count.
niggas
It don't count. It
doing?
don't count.
Yeah, bro.
I was right about Nudo, bro.
Yeah, how you feel, D-Char?
Yo, Max, were you camping comms too?
Nigga, bro! I was on... Nigga, go to reactor! With your Indian ass, bro!
Yeah, fuck, this
I
game
I
was
was trying to go there.
Yeah.
Shit was
It
already
wouldn't let-
over, bro.
Can you
I
put
was
shape
not
shifting on,
touching.
Max?
It is on. It is on.
Yo, it says the game you're trying to join is full.
We have 10 people.
Some
Right,
ran.
right.
No, someone's on it.
W League.
Yo,
We have a nigga named
Yeah,
W
how?
leaking this bitch.
Yes.
How the fuck?
We already full though.
That means I leaked it, my nigga.
How the hell?
Nigga, you
Yo, after
suck.
this game already started, bro.
Alright, I'll wait it out. I'll wait it.
I'm waiting.
Nah,
for
the
it.
nigga could just stream snipe. Start a new game, bro, and put it in the chat, Omar.
So we go back to lobby.
Yo, be quiet, bro.
Done.
Man, this nigga just had to kill me, bro.
Yo, why you
Why'd I
kill me,
do-
bitch
Whoever
ass
started the
nigga?
game, don't matter.
I'm saying, bro. I had to get it off real quick.
No, it don't count, bro. Why would we pay out? This game don't count. And lower crewmate vision a little bit.
You're the owner.
Bro, I can't kick the nigga out the lobby, bro. I said start
You
the
want-
We
lobby.
started a new one.
Wait, do you want me to just make it? I can make it right now.
Yo, whoever made it, who made it? I'll make
I
it, my
can-
nigga. I'll make it, my nigga.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the answer.
Nora,
Live.
I can see you happy.
No, which
I
one?
like
Your ass
to be
start
happy,
dumping juice.
Alright,
Because mainly
it's in
all the
there.
time I'm sad.
It's in there,
Oh
though.
boy.
What'd you say?
Because all the time I'm sad, I like seeing me happy. When I'm happy.
Bro, we did not add.
What did gay ass just say?
I said
Yo.
mainly I'm sad, so I'm happy when I'm happy.
What?
What?
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Damn.
Please.
Yo, join
listen.
the code, bro.
Who's that?
Pay out? Okay.
May I have more, please?
Refund. Fuck wrong with them. That game don't count. You're out your
Who's
goddamn.
who's YP Mud?
We do predictions.
That's bumpy.
Oh, that's bumpy. That's bumpy.
Can I have mod back, please?
Oh, it's bumpy.
You can have mod back when I give you this equation and then you can solve it. Gotcha.
Let's hear it.
You feel me?
You can get my back when you do push-ups, bro.
Facts.
Do 30 push-ups and then
Yeah,
I'll
give me-
give
give
you
me-
I
mod.
can't
give me
start.
five, bro.
Mute.
Alright.
Niggas moaning and shit. That's why I can't be on this game too long. I'm about to hop. Ain't my nigga. Yo, points in chat. Can I get imposter once? Oh, let's go. Go on it. Go on it. Go on it. Go on it. Yeah, he one of them. He one of them, bro. He one of them, bro. Why can't I check by? Yo, it's not letting me check no more. All right, D Charles good. D Charles good. D Charles good. D Charles good. Jaden sus as fuck. Jaden sus as fuck, bro.
In the hall, in the hall, in the hall, in the hall, in the hall.
Self-report. Who's self-report? Not gonna lie.
Who came out of?
Yo,
I saw-
I remember.
I saw-
it damn near
okay.
had to be, bro. D Charles just did medbay, bro.
Exactly.
Crib.
I'm bottom left. I'm doing my storage thing. I go up. I go to admin. I do my vitals. I come down. Wayne's dead there.
It's him.
Wait, Noor, I got a question. You entered the north sensor like very long ago, and now you just saw the body. So you didn't see nobody. You don't have. You just.
I was in admin. I was in admin doing my task. Bumpy and Crow and Jaden were both there.
He self-reported the last body from last game, so I'm gonna just go off that shit, bro.
Yeah.
Bro,
Damn.
No, we can shoot
Damn.
here. We can shoot here.
I
I'm
agree with
shooting the nigga. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you could. Yeah, you're. Yeah. Get out of here.
so it's not Crow, Jaden,
Hey, shit.
or
Hey, little
Bumpy.
nigga. Hey, little nigga. Stop the deuces. Bye.
It's
Dumbass
not
nigga.
me. So GG's.
It's not me. GG's. We don't need you
Alright,
to win,
buddy.
shitty ass nigga.
Did you just spit?
No, I was drinking
Yo,
banana
Noor, you
juice, and
alright?
that shit just.
Ugh.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what'd you say? Fix reactor, bro. Come on, stop being stupid. I'm not on GTA, nigga. GTA dead. No one on today, bro. Nigga said I'm so mean. This the only way this nigga gonna develop tough skin. He need a older brother that bully him. Shit, my sister used to push. Oh my god, bro. Yo, one of these niggas is it, bro. Yo, that shit was sus. That shit was sus. Yo, that shit was sus. What is he going back over there for? What is he going back? I know it, bro. I know it.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo, I just want to
hold
say,
on.
like, I went to go do the oxygen deplete thing that goes all the way to the top. I was at greenhouse. Yo, I saw
Jaden.
Max.
Jaden, what happened?
Okay, no,
I saw
no,
Max.
no,
I saw Max went to like
no.
near the.
Listen,
I think he went back into communications, and DeCarvey was the last.
Okay,
nigga I
Jaden reported
saw,
the body,
bro.
so
listen,
Yeah, that's
yes,
what I
kinda-
bro,
Yeah, but
I
Jaden has
reported
to-
the body. I went to
it
the
was my
locker rooms.
fault.
I see Max dead on the ground, and I see the Dakari right next to the body, and he was walking away. So as soon as I saw it, he turned back, realizing I was there. So
Oh, let's
it gotta
go.
be him.
Let's go.
Okay,
Yeah,
no,
I'm
hold
shooting
on,
this
chill,
nigga.
chill.
I'm
When
sorry.
Let's
I
go.
left,
Jaden, I
listen,
thought it was
back down,
Jaden.
that shit was already done. I went back down. I left 3 people: Max, Dakari, Crow, and I think that's it. So it could also, I don't know, but it could be one of them too. Do you guys know where you guys are right now?
Stop, nigga. Stop, bro. I
I'm just
went to
asking,
Yeah,
bro.
I went to greenhouse.
Right.
I was just with. It was
So you're in
me.
greenhouse?
Yeah, I'm in greenhouse. I literally was in decontent.
We
tent.
want, come on.
Nigga, I'm at
Might be
greenhouse.
him.
It's Dakari, nigga.
Where was the body reported at?
It was at locker rooms. In the locker room.
Where's that?
It was
Where's
right by
I
the.
think it might have been a
Man,
self before.
yeah, fuck this map. It's the
No,
map
it's
that I
not,
keep
bro.
dying,
It's
nigga.
Dakari.
No,
I'm
bro,
not
it's
no
Dakari,
ass
bro.
ass.
It's not
I'm not
Nico,
no
by the
sorry
way. It's
ass
not Nico.
nigga.
Yeah, it's not.
me.
I was next to Omar.
Yeah.
Nigga said bullshit. What's that
Who'd
gonna
y'all
do?
vote for?
We voted for Dakari.
Dakari, nigga.
Oh,
Get
baby, this
dirty
shit
ass nigga
red,
out
boy.
of here.
You ain't even say shit. You ain't
This
even
shit
say
nigga even
shit.
defend himself. Like,
That's
what
how.
the
Yeah,
fuck?
that's how
I
you know
couldn't,
it's
bro. I
nigga.
couldn't, bro. The nigga, I murdered the nigga right in front of his face, man. What the fuck? What the fuck I'm supposed to say, boy, baby?
Let's go, nigga.
Oh, this
Oh,
shit.
you're
Nor
some
you
shit.
fucking
Yo, you're
suck,
some
Nor.
shit. You're some
Dakari,
stupid. Yo,
bro.
No,
Yeah,
I
why
didn't know
fucking
that nigga was there. I didn't know he was there.
Wait, so
bro.
it was Noor.
Of course it was.
Yes.
Nor.
it was
So
Nor,
fucking
Nor,
fast.
Yo, that
You're
nigga
so
Noor is stupid.
predictable, Noor. Holy
Niggas can't stop me. Pay out. I'm switching the map.
Nigga, I should have like.
Yeah, this map's really ass, bro.
Yo, J
Oh,
Dog, bro.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, we gotta wait for Nor to be back.
Hey, bro.
My God.
Bro.
Brother.
Nor, just come.
But-
Never been part of a pack before. It's like a talking dog movie. It's seemingly super sweet, but it's filthy R-rated.
You got any weekend plans?
Yeah, raw dog and your mom. Will Ferrell and Jamie Foxx.
Oh, I'm 100% in for this.
Strays, rated R.
I'd rather play Nor, I'm not gonna lie, cause I was only gonna play like 2 more games, and this nigga not here right now. You like so he could.
I have a
join,
headache.
he only got 9
Oh, that's
games.
Corey.
Corey?
You say he can join?
Yeah, or whoever.
Corey.
Corey are here. Yo, can someone just join real quick?
Nah, Corey can join.
You.
Yo, Max, when you go on block?
Hell no. Yo, whoever joined first, for real, just tell them the code. I'm a definite. Holy shit, my nigga.
Only Game Max has some skill at.
That's cap. I beat only up. You're just not watching clearly. I beat only up. I beat nigga. This is my last game, bro. Fuck this shit. I beat only up. I'm good at 2K. I'm good at Among Us. I'm good at GTA. I'm good at COD. Y'all can't lie. After yesterday, I'm good at COD now, bro. Niggas gonna tell me I'm not good at COD after the performance I put on? That was a marvelous display. I'm good at Five Nights Freddy. I feel like I'm getting better at every game. I'm at least decent, bro. These niggas not joining. I'm about to dip, bro. At least decent at every game, bro. This is the kisses for me. It's the kisses for me. There's a nigga. I'm so mad right now. Niggas trying to tell me I'm bad at games. Yes, I'm gonna play scary games. Not tonight though. Because I'm already being a good gamer, bro. 2 games. I did great things on both games tonight. If this nigga don't join in 30 seconds, I'm hopping off stream. Yo,
Man, you not even
where
gonna say
you
hi?
at?
Hi,
What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? Where you at, bro?
I had to turn bro down so bad.
You said what?
Are you hopping on or no?
No. Yeah, it's low, it's low.
Blue freshman.
Hi, Max. Stop, bro. Don't.
I'm not starting with this shit today, bro. Niggas know, bro. I'm not starting with this shit. Nigga used to whip me. Nigga used to.
my god, this is nigga. I do?
No, it's the last game. You just egg game.
Balls in my throat.
Huh?
What?
It's my last game. Why?
Nigga.
Wait, this is the last game or Nor's last game?
Oh, Nor came back. Who didn't load in? Oh, Corey.
Corey.
I'll make it.
What I do?
What you mean? What did you do? No, we already
Bro,
always had 10. Nor just disappeared, bro. Mute up, though. Hold up.
I go. Oh, that's
I'm not an imposter, dumbass. Nigga, I'm this nigga. This nigga's ugly. What the fuck?
Bro, who has the thing on?
What?
Why am I sitting like this? Yo, why this block floating? I swear that was never the case. Simon ugly as shit. He gonna kill me. He gonna kill me. It'd be a stupid kill. Is there a time limit on? Oh yeah, I only get so much of it each round. That's annoying. That shit's trash, bro. He gonna kill me. You gotta do tasks? Who the fuck told you that? Bitch, this ain't slavery. Ain't nobody bossing me around, bitch. I'm sitting camera. Fuck these niggas. Read? I'm reading. No, I know how to read, alright. I'm gonna trick them into thinking I'm an imposter. You feel me? Now they sussing me. I just want to make it interesting. No, not letting you just get a stack kill. Nice try. I don't like how these niggas moving, bro. What
happened? What happened?
God
damn it, man, baby.
You is so shit. Man,
Wait, what?
Nigga,
What?
Vote this nigga Darkrai out, my nigga.
Bro.
He killed it. Broad daylight.
Dakari? You mean Dakari?
Bro, it's Dakari, bro.
Oh, that's how they spell it in Pokemon, bro. Dark.
Bro, you said this last time I talked to you, bro.
You're a
Oh,
Pokemon geek.
damn. Dakari. Yo, my memory shit, my nigga. My bad. Dakari.
Yo.
You good, bro?
It's Dakari, gang. Get him
what's
out.
the reason?
He sucked. He killed Broad daylight, nigga.
Dakari.
Yo, we loaded into the lobby. The nigga ain't even let me even say nothing. He said, "Damn." He knew what it was. Bro. Come on, nigga.
Damn. You
Dakari,
made the
this is
same
second
face.
time.
I don't play Among Us, bro. Baby, this shit crazy.
Hey, but just,
You gotta vote,
try,
bro.
at least try to
my
try to defend yourself, bro.
Yeah,
When,
like,
you're
vote
vote,
already.
try to-
Play the game.
Hey, Dakari,
I will be
my
one.
nigga, it's bedtime for you. Next, it's time to get this Kume dub, nigga.
Cool made dub.
Hooray! Let's lock in, y'all.
Nigga saying hooray, right?
Fight our shit.
Boo.
I hate this nigga. No, at level 35 at Among Us. This nigga's a loser. Like, he played this shit in his free time, bro. He played with randoms. Never met a nigga so lame. It's the kisses for me. It's 3:20. Damn, it's late. I just want to get this shot off, bro. You're weird as hell, gang. You're weird as hell. You weird as hell. Actually, kill me. Kill me. I'm about to end the game right now, my nigga. I'm fat and my hairline look like the railroad. Like, fuck up. Move, bro. I'm about to end this game right now. Nora's not doing no task, bro. It's damn near Omar, bro. Y'all want to win?
What's the word?
Y'all want to win?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? I literally didn't do nothing.
I want to win.
I think it's Omar. He's already accusing people.
Bro, I just medbay scanned in front of 3 people. You're chatting.
Bro, I literally did that one. The swiper.
Bro, Eumpy, bro.
What the fuck?
Bumpy.
What?
No, Bumpy's safe. No.
Nigga, it's not me. It's not me. It's not Omar. It's not Crow.
No, you dick eating ass nigga. Come
Omar
on,
again.
bro. You
Yeah,
voted for the nigga already off my word?
Damn, what the fuck?
That's the dick suck of hell.
Yo,
What the
this-
fuck?
Dick suck of
Nah, this nigga,
hell. My tips, Dicky.
My two.
Yo, alright, bro.
This is weird.
Yo,
What's
it's
the
either
word?
Rocker or Crow.
Bro, it's
I was in me. I just went to
It's not
Crow.
Crow. Yeah.
Whoa.
No, chill. I'll say about Jaden.
I don't think. I think it. Okay.
Didn't both of us go in
Hold
mid?
on. Omar, why are you just went from me?
No, I think it's
Yeah,
Rocker.
I'm saying he's going to everybody. I think it's
Like
Omar.
he's just picking everybody,
It's
bro.
7
Okay,
Skip
no,
on
no,
7
no,
though.
not
Skip on
those.
7
No,
Not
nigga,
those.
Dark Ride was one of them. We could shoot, but it's fine.
Respectfully, this man.
It's either Rocker or Noir. It's either Rocker.
Wait,
Bro,
the
I was
car
literally
was
going back.
100%,
Bro, I
right?
didn't die, bro.
Skip.
Rocker.
We can skip, bro. We can skip.
Alright, it's two.
I'm still going Rocker.
Bro,
Yo,
I'm voting you,
dick
buddy.
sucker hell.
Yeah. That was dick suck, but Nor voted in 3 seconds.
That's
I was not paying.
Nah, Nor dick eater. We know what division that nigga going. I'm telling y'all, bro. It's way too obvious. Man, touching these wires together makes me realize, man, I miss the connection I used to have with this one bitch, bro. I lost her, bro. She ghosted a young nigga, bro. It's high school. It gets the kisses for me. It gets the kisses for me.
Like the scanner area.
It's you, nigga. It's you, nigga.
What was
I know
Yeah,
it's
it's
you, nigga.
definitely you, Daniel.
I know it's
Bro,
you.
you guys want to win. Don't vote me.
It's gotta
I
be a
was watching
self-report.
security, so it was not on security.
Bro, I literally wasn't.
Yo, we can vote here. Rocker or Crow?
Yeah, I
Rocker,
can.
Crow,
Rocker, Rocker,
bro, it's Crow.
I'm
He's in the
it's
same
Rocker,
area.
it's
not me, bro. I literally just came. I literally just came.
I'm on your ass, nigga. It's you, it's you. I know it's you.
Rocker trapped me in a room and didn't kill me. You dumbass nigga. You don't know how to play the fucking game, bro.
I'm saying, I literally didn't
Nigga,
kill
it's
you.
Rocker, man. It's not, no, I was with him in
Keep patting your fucking
security
dome,
watching
nigga.
cams, and he
Keep
could have
patting your
killed
fucking
me.
dome.
Fucking
Watch.
sucks, nigga.
Keep patting your fucking dome. You suck.
Watch.
You ass as hell. What's up, back?
Told you it was Crow. Last nigga, I knew it was Crow. No way, you still alive? Yeah, bro. 4 hours 39 minutes being short is crazy, bro. But I mean, now it type was like in terms of what we did, my nigga. You feel me? Even though nigga that that boot camp took forever, bro. I hate these niggas. Yo, Crow. Yo, get this nigga gone, bro. It's Crow, bro. Someone called a meeting. Called a meeting. Called a meeting. Mama not to the working? Let's fucking go, my nigga. It's Crow, bro. Called the meeting, bro. Follow me, dick eater. Nigga, come on, bro. Oh my god, bro. You don't dick eat quick enough, bro. Come on, come on. Fix it, fix it. I'm dead here. Nigga suck. Nigga trash as fuck.
Bro, it's Crow, it's Crow, it's Crow.
I know.
It's Crow, get him out of here.
Yeah, y'all get me out, bro. Oh my god. Bro, yo, the car, yo.
Yo, I'm sorry I sold you, bro.
No,
I don't play this game, bro. I don't play this game, bro. I don't play.
Get out now. I killed. Honestly, I killed.
Hey, Dakar, don't
5
speak
niggas.
like that. You good, my nigga.